And today we are going to learn sixth problem from NCERT example book back 7th chapter. It is from alternate current class 12 physics. If you want more video example and exercise means you can go and check it in my playlist. I am given all the concepts, all the problems with full explanation. Okay, first we will see what is given in the question. The inductance is given, it's 2 Henry. Henry means it's inductance. Okay, the capacitance given 32 microfarad. Okay, so micro is 10 power minus 6, so 32 into 10 power minus 6 farad. It's going to be the capacitance of capacitor. Okay, the resistance is given 10 ohms. Okay, the now question is what is the angular velocity at resonance condition and Q factor. Okay, it is a LCR circuit. Okay, LCR together is connected. What is the angular velocity? When the angular velocity XL is equal to XC, XL is omega L, XC is 1 divided by omega C. Okay, so omega square is equal to 1 divided by LC, so omega is equal to 1 divided by root of LC. If you know omega easily, you can calculate this formula at resonance condition. Okay, it's very important formula. Many times this is asked in 3 marks also. Okay, now we'll see what is inductance. Inductance is given as a 2 Henry. What is capacitance? Capacitance is given 32 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, it's a whole root. Okay, now I have to do with the solution for this problem. Okay, I know what is omega. Omega is equal to, just all the value we substituted, omega is equal to 1 divided by root of LC. It's going to be 2 into 32 we can write as a 32, we'll write like that only, into 10 power minus 6, like that we have. Okay, so we'll have 32, just like a common factor we'll take it, to 16, to 8, to 4, to 2. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 2's will be there, including this 6 2 will be there. Okay, so you can take it 2 into 2 into 2, which is going to be a, so we'll have like this. Okay, we'll have like that, 2 power 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, so the when the value will become after square root, will have 2 power 3 into 2 power minus 3. Okay, that's we have omega. So 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. 1 divided by 8 will get this. If you are taken as numerator, that's going to become as a plus 10 power minus 3. Okay, omega is equal to 10 power minus 3 is become plus 3 divided by 8. Okay, so this is going to be 10,000 divided by 8. Okay, when we are cancelling, it's going to be the 5,000 divided by 4. Okay, when again if you are cancelling, we'll get 2,500 divided by 2. Okay, again if you are cancelling, the final answer will get as a, it is actually 30, sorry, it is 30. Okay, so it is 1000. Okay, when we are cancelling, we'll get 500. When we are cancelling, we'll get 250. When we are cancelling this, 125 angular velocity, it's going to be rad per second. Okay, I got rad per second. What is which is called omega. Okay, now Q factor is equal to 1 divided by R root of L by C. Okay, which is a very easy calculation. Okay, now I know all three values. I am going to calculate Q factor. First we found angular velocity at resonance condition. Now we are finding what is Q factor. R value is 10, root of L value is 2. Okay, C value is 32 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, sorry, it is 32 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, 32 into 10 power minus 6 because it's microfarad. Okay, now see what I am going to do, it's 60. Okay, so 1 divided by 10 into root of 16 will come 4. 10 power minus 6 root will become as minus 3. If you are taken minus 3 as a numerator, 10 power plus 3. Okay, that's going to be the 1000 will be numerator, 10 and 4 will be denominator. This get cancelled. 100 divided by 4 will be have 250. Okay, sorry, 25. Okay, Q factor have no unit. It's not having any unit. Okay, so you can give it is a no unit. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want more video, you can go and check it in my playlist.